Okay. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. All right, let's see. You got a blow through.
Yes, sir.
Could you tell me what's in here real quick?
Yes, 2 ZVX 12s.
Yep.
Sundown SMP 3K. It's a 2-to-1 ratio. 6 and 3 on the seal side.
Okay. Oh, this is fully built in. I can't even. Okay. Nice.
Something on this side over here.
Got it. Okay, I'll look under it after. All right. What are you wired to on your amp?
1 on.
1 ohm. Have you metered it all for fun?
Yeah. We metered it at Peyton's house and it did a 47.4.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. What did it peak at?
26.
26, okay. Is there a way I can see the box at all? Is there any way to see it? Just to see the depth and all? Okay. Appreciate you showing me so I can kind of see how the port's right here, port's right there, and then you got your sub. Okay, got it. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. Quick little commentary before we get to the bass demo of this Blowthrough 212 system. So as you can see the little screw marks on the box here, you can see for the 212s that are mounted in an inverted station there. He said it was 3 cubes on the sealed side, 6 cubes on the ported. Also looking at the port area right behind the passenger seat there, optimized for pressure towards the passenger going into the driver as well. And then also I like the way they have the box covered and hidden. So it's pretty cool layout there. And it has a 2-to-1 ratio aspect. So what that is 6 cubes ported, 3 cubes sealed, which equates to 6 divided by 3, making it the 2-to-1 ratio. Maybe that taught somebody something. Anyway, give them a like. Let them know what you think in the comments. Be sure to hit the like button. And once again, I really appreciate y'all watching my daily videos. And let's get to the demo. So is it a 4th order or 6th order? 4th order. Okay. Got it. Thank you, man. Definitely likes a lower note.
Oh yeah,
Yeah. Is there a way you can do one more with this window up the other way? So I can see the difference. to meet you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.